As I reflect on the last year, I'm grateful to our local community and to our international clientele for the support for our expertise as the Algarve's leading property buying agency. Real estate is more than just transactions. It's about relationships, it's about shared goals and a vision for the future. And at SADA, we are committed to serving our local community and clients with excellence. In 2024, SADA experienced exponential growth with more than 183% of buyers from around the world contracting our services. We saved more than 8% of listing prices, and more than 30% of the properties that we transacted on weren't even listed on the open market. What's fascinating to observe about the Algarve real estate market is that despite the geopolitical climate, ongoing wars, high inflation and high interest rates, transactions remain healthy and stable across the Algarve. Above all, 2024 was a year of restabilization. Many reports refer to it being a year of lows, but at SADA we disagree. By closely looking at the market trends and data, we're pleased to report a healthy and stable market across the region. We've built a business that studies data and analytics. This allows our clients to make key strategic decisions on their purchases and their investments. When I look at the years 2020 to 23, those years were completely unpredictable. We'd never seen anything like that in the past. Last year, there was a slight decline on those volumes. However, I would still report the market as being healthy and stable. Our latest market insights confirm that while capital preservation and income generation are very important for foreigners, lifestyle remains the key driving factor across the region. And I think a lot of this goes down to the global pandemic. People attach a lot of value to being in a safe environment like the Algarve, and certainly set within the surroundings of nature. An indicator driving demand across the region is the UK's abolition of the non-dom tax regime of autumn 2024. We're certainly seeing an increase from ultra-high net worth individuals looking to purchase properties and also transacting in properties across the region. A key indicator in a strong emerging market across the region is the much talked about USA. We're looking at a country which is divided both politically and socially, and many high net worth individuals are now looking in the Algarve to make it their full-time residence, purely based on the fact that it's a safe and secure environment in which to own and live. We continue to see families and retirees looking to acquire properties across the Algarve purely based on the improvement in infrastructures, restaurants, golf courses and general infrastructures, making it not only a seasonal place to own a property but now a full-time residence. I invite you to explore our annual market report for deeper insights into the Algarve luxury real estate market. The perspectives shared reflect my own convictions, based on more than 2 decades of local knowledge and experience within the Algarve's luxury real estate market. So over the past 18 months, we found that the Algarve real estate market has returned to a more balanced state, pretty much in line with what we were experiencing pre the pandemic, but now driven by factors like lifestyle, which are ultimately drawing people to the region. The extended buying cycle reflects the shift for more deliberate decision-making from buyers, prioritizing long-term value over impulsive purchases. Buyers who secured properties during the pandemic have very little reason to sell, and this has been a key influencing factor as to why we have little inventory available in the marketplace. This supply constraint has fueled demand for new construction, where buyers are willing to pay premium for bespoke luxury properties on key locations in the general area. The ongoing absorption of high-quality properties remains a key trend, and we expect this to continue over the short to medium term. The current measured approach towards purchasing a property in the Algarve is a sign of a healthy and stable market, especially in the €6 million bracket and plus. Between 2020 and 2023, this is a stark contrast when people were flocking to the region to buy properties in some of the Algarve's premium resorts. In 2024, we certainly saw a rise in golf resort sales, accounting for 25% of total transactions across the region. And this really indicates how important it is for foreigners to be close to nearby amenities, beach facilities, etc. This has increased from 16% in 2023 and 23% in 2024. Our research indicates a 5% increase from UK buyers, and we feel this has been driven by the UK autumn budget of 2024, and I certainly expect this trend to continue for the next 12 to 18 months. UK buyers, along with a range of international buyers, are being drawn to the region due to its excellent beaches, phenomenal golf courses, private hospitals, and let's not forget about the excellent private schools that can now be found across the region. With an increase in transactions in 2024 from US buyers, I'm expecting this trend to continue this year as we now have direct flights coming from Newark to Faro. We continue to see families and retirees buying properties which have access to quality amenities and are close to nature. The buyer age profile ranges from 40 to 60 years old, with a significant portion falling into the mid-50s. In fact, the average age of a property buyer on the Algarve's premium resorts last year was 56 years old. Looking ahead, demand will remain healthy as real estate is a critical and developing part of ultra-high net worth individuals' portfolio. In recent years, we've seen a demand from ultra-high net worth individuals who want to work, live, and invest abroad. This has had a huge impact on the luxury residential and touristic residential market, and I expect to see this trend continue as more and more people seek out the lifestyle that exists in the Algarve. We are consistently seeing absorption of inventory as a key influential factor across the Algarve's premium resorts. This leads to buyers who are willing to pay premium prices for top quality properties, whilst at the same time sellers who are less prepared to negotiate. Despite widespread reports of turbulence in the global luxury real estate market, we can report an 8.9% average price growth across the premium golf resorts of the Central Algarve. This continued resilience underscores the stability of these highly sought-after locations, even amid broader economic fluctuations. While price growth moderated compared to the 3 previous years, this reflects a natural market cycle. The average sales price per square meter varied across the Algarve's premium golf resorts. Notably, Quinta Lago recorded the highest average sales price at 16,950 euros per square meter, marking a 13% year-on-year increase. This performance further cements its reputation as one of Southern Europe's leading luxury golf destinations. Each resort and the surrounding neighborhoods exhibited distinct price trends, reflecting their unique appeal to both international buyers and investors. This variation highlights the diverse opportunities available within the region, reinforcing its status as a premium real estate destination. Continued market stabilization is expected, but some key factors to look out for is sitting inventory, overvalued properties, and the rate of new construction. These indicators will help ensure sustained demand while reinforcing the area's appeal as a prime investment destination. While opportunities remain strong, a strategic approach will be crucial to navigating evolving trends and maintaining stability in the sought-after location of Portugal. At Sada, it's our belief that the interests of buyers must be represented. As the only dedicated property buying agency in the Algarve, we'd love to have the opportunity to find your dream property. Please give us a call today. You owe it to yourself.